Hello kids, in this video we will talk about the sun and the solar system. Dear kids, observe the sky on a clear night. What do you observe? We can see billions of stars in the night sky. Stars appear to twinkle and shine in the sky. During the night time, you might have seen the stars in different patterns like this. So dear students, when we see the stars from the earth, several group of stars appear to form different types of patterns. And these group of stars are known as constellations. Dear children, do you know what is galaxy? Galaxy is a system of millions or billions of stars together with gases and dust held by gravitational force. The sun and the solar system are a part of Milky Way galaxy, which is one of the many galaxies in the universe. So now let's discuss about the sun and the solar system in detail. The solar system is made up of central star, the sun, and the 8 planets that circle it. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and their moons or satellites, as well as pieces of dust and rocks, are also included in the solar system. So let's talk about the sun. The sun is the only heavenly body in the solar system which has its own light. It is yellow dwarf star and it spins on its own axis. The core of the sun is extremely hot and made up of different types of gases. The sun also produces huge explosion of energy known as solar flares. Some of these solar flares strike the atmosphere of the earth, creating a glow known as aurora. So dear children, now we are going to talk about planets. That what are planets? Planets are the heavenly bodies that orbit the sun in an elliptical path. Planets do not have their own light, they reflect the light from the sun. Moreover, they are quite different from one another in the size, color, and composition. The first 4 planets closest to the sun, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are known as rocky planets or terrestrial planets because they are composed mainly of rocks. So that is why they are known as rocky planets, and they are also known as inner planets as well. The 4 outer planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are mainly composed of gases. So they are known as gas giants. Moreover, they are also known as outer planets. So dear kids, now we will discuss all these planets in detail. So first of all we have Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is the smallest planet in our solar system. As it is close to the sun, so it is very hot and no life can survive on it. Next we have Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the sun. It is the brightest planet in our solar system. It is very hot and hence there is no life on it. It is the only planet that rotates clockwise. It is also known as morning and evening star. Do you know children why it is known as morning and evening star? Because it is seen at the time of sunrise and sunset in the eastern and the western sky. So that is why it is known as the morning and the evening star. Next we have Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is neither too far nor too close to the Sun, and hence it is neither too hot nor too cold. Earth is the only planet where life exists. Next we have Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is the second smallest planet in our solar system, being larger only than the Mercury. It is also known as the red planet because it is reddish in color. Next we have Jupiter. It is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is the largest planet in our solar system. There are 79 moons that orbit Jupiter. Out of 79, 53 have been given official names. It also has 4 sets of rings. Next we have Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is the second largest planet in our solar system. It has beautiful rings around it. Next we have Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is a huge icy planet covered with clouds. It is encircled by a belt of 13 known rings and many moons. So last we have Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. It is the most distant planet in our solar system, and it is blue in color. Dear kids, in this video we talked about the Sun and the solar system. I hope you all like this video. Thank you.